A low credit score can keep you from reaching your financial goals. Scores below 560 may prevent you from becoming a homeowner, purchasing a car, getting a job, or renting an apartment or house. Maxed out credit cards, unpaid medical bills, a history of late payments, unpaid student loans, or emergency situations can result in a low score. If your credit report contains any of these things that are keeping your score low, you'll need to take care of them before you can start to rebuild your score. Start by getting your free credit reports from TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. You can download all three at annualcreditreport.com. Review your personal information, loan accounts, balances, payment histories, and credit inquiries. By law, negative accounts can only stay on your report for 7 years from the last missed payment. If you see older accounts or if you find other errors or fraud, contact the reporting company to dispute it. If the error appears on multiple reports, you'll need to dispute it with each credit bureau separately. If you have accounts still in good standing that you want to pay off, start with the newest. Older accounts in good standing can help show that you're creditworthy in the long term. Try not to open new loans if you're trying to repair your credit. A new inquiry, often called a hard pull of your credit, could have a negative effect on your score. If you have high credit card balances, pay them down but don't close the loan. Increasing the credit available to you can help to improve your score. If you don't have a credit card but do have extra money, consider a secured credit card. You can open one with a refundable deposit and use the card to help establish a good payment history. Above all, continue making on-time payments so nothing new gets added to your credit report. If you do get behind, it's always best to work out a payment plan before your debt is turned over to a third-party collector. If your debt does get turned over to a third party, see if you can negotiate a settlement and have it removed from your report. Services that offer to repair your credit for you don't make negative accounts disappear. They simply follow these strategies to improve your credit over time, which you can do yourself for free. To track your progress, see if your credit union or bank offers a credit monitoring tool. Be sure that it uses soft pulls of your credit, which don't affect your score. Veridian's Credit Central is a free tool that lets you track your credit score, see a detailed credit report, set alerts, and more. It uses soft pulls so your credit won't be affected. You can use the included credit simulator to see how changes in your behavior might change your score. Credit Central is available for free through Veridian's online banking and our mobile app. To get help with credit repair and other financial topics, check out our other videos or contact Veridian Credit Union today.